and 9th of June this year, right here at the VMICH. This expo is organized by the Chefs Guild of Lanka with CD.
Our dear friend and the world president, his wife Petra. Diamond sponsor, Shihan.
But they made their name and its name throughout the culinary world.
Lively events that is taking place. Having said that, to add on the training side of it, we are proud to know that
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Food and Hospitality Asia Maldives for you, and we look forward to seeing some of you joining us in the Maldives in September 2024 for this exciting event. Now, coming back to the Culinary Art Food Expo right here at the VMICH, ladies and gentlemen, you've already heard about the various concurrent events that are taking place over the next 3 days. And with so much excitement taking place all around us, we're delighted that we have a professional exhibition organizers.
Lankan cuisine, which has now started attracting millions of interest of tourists visiting our country. You call it culinary tourism, gastronomy tourism, or food tourism. Or in Sinhalese, you can call it Kanabona tourism, which is very important because out of tourism, even as travel agents, every itinerary of tourists, local ingredients, local fresh fish. I think we have about 20,000.
Today, I am proud to stand again, yet again.
තියෙන අර දෙක එක තැන දෙකක් තුනක් නැහැ එකක් ගහගතයි
Trying all the food. I have quite some 260 plates. Yeah, and that's really a lot. That's on the live cooking. challenge. They want table for 2 people always, and they have 45 dishes exactly, which I think is really nice.
And California, or do you have a
For example, here what they do now, I think it's really a perfect art. It's really great. Here we have the natural luxury sommelier challenge.
So I was in incident, I couldn't meet Vena.
Local